Drum rolls, drum rolls, drum rolls, drum roll, drum roll. From the office of the mob, Justice Football. Good evening. If you have entered like this community, just press the plus sign there. We are on 16,000 followers. Finally, the executive committee of the PSL has finally kicked Royal AM out of the league. It has been long overdue. In a statement that is released today on the 2nd of April 2025, it's going to all chairperson and executive officer, all members of the club and National Soccer League per email. So this communique has been sent via email to everyone that is affected, obviously including us, because we have a share there. We form part of all member club of the National Soccer League from Betway until Motsepe Championship. So this is a circular number 112 of 2025 resolution of the Executive Committee in Royal AM Football Club under curator. Understand what happened in January? It was put under curator by the name of Jan Venter by SARS as a way of trying to recover 40 million that was owed to SARS. Okay. Bullet number 1 and article number 10 or 16, 10 or 14 and article number 14 of 16 of the NSL Constitution vests certain powers and duty in the Executive Committee. You can go and find this article on the NSL Constitution and NSL Manual book. It's available even on PSL website. You can go and get that. Number 2, having regard to the totality of the facts and circumstances in relation to the matter of Royal AM under curatorship, the Executive Committee has concluded that, number 1, Royal AM is unable to fulfill its obligation to the league. That is true. It is given they failed to host Orlando Pirates in a fixture number, I think it's 106. So that is adamant. They've been staying since from January up until now. Which month is this one? It's month number 4. So they are unable to fulfill their duties in the league. Number 2, Royal AM misinterpreted material information to the league in its application for renewal submission of the 1st of July 2024. Remember, each and every club in NSL must be able to renew its obligation into NSL just before the start of the season. This includes submission of the venues, submission of the players that will be playing on that particular day, on the particular team in that particular season. Number C, Royal AM transfer shares contrary to the provision of the Act number 1416 of the NSL Constitution. We can't say much about that. But number 3, the Executive Committee today resolved to recommend the cancellation of the membership of Royal AM to the Board of Governance of the League in accordance with Article number 10, 16 and 10, 14 and 14 number 6 of the NSL Constitution. I'll come and read all this article to you so that we can be able to know what is the power of the Executive Committee with regard to termination of the membership of any club in NSL. Remember, NSL stand for National Soccer League and it comprises of Betway and Motsepe Champions League. However, the first division is trade with Premier Soccer League and the second one trade with Motsepe Championship. It's just the issue of sponsorship and the trade names. So number 4, Royal AM and all member of the league will be given notice of the Board of Governance meeting in accordance with the NSL handbook. Finally, Royal AM is a history and PSL now has 15 teams, with SuperSport going to be at the bottom and followed by the rest. So this article was signed by the acting Chief Executive Committee of PSL or NSL, Manto Madlala. So the role of Executive Committee CEO is to carry out all the administration of the NSL. I hope this makes more clear and understanding in terms of you. So Royal AM, it's an history to South African football. Bye bye. Twisi. Twat.